Hi, families. I hope you are well and in good health. Remember, we are just a South African food content YouTube channel and we cook what we have in our houses. Don't forget don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share the video to all the to all the subscribers. Thank you very much, guys. Now, Naughty Teenagers Part 3. Is it Part 3? Yes, Naughty Teenagers Part 4. I think if not Part 4, it's Part 3 as we cook a beef stew. Remember, we left our story whereby the boy said he wants us to fetch Hubley at his girlfriend's place, and she's home alone. Sharp. Now we drove from town. We had another trip to the burbs, right? To the burbs of this other province, which I will not ever mention. And then as we are as we are driving, it happens that we got lost. And when we got lost, by getting lost, we stood outside somebody's house, the wrong house. And because it's festive season and blah, 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 it's going up and down, they suspected that this guy has been loitering around our area. Definitely this guy is very suspicious. And then they called the security guards. You know, the security patrollers, those cars that usually patrol around the burbs. They called them, and then the security, I think we got lost about 10 minutes loitering around same place, and you know how burbs people behave. And then we met with those people, and we told them we got lost. Remember, by that time Google Maps was there, but not literally there, you know. We didn't have a mind of that mentality of using it. She was just on the phone saying, 10, we are at house on the left, on the what. Sharp, we got lost and we arrived at her house, right? Now, tell me what happened. Ask me now, my sister, what happened. I tell you now, I talk now as you subscribe, like, and comment down below, share the video. Then as we stopped right at the gate of her house, the parents also parked. Ooh. The parents were also there. Literally us and the girlfriend's parents arrived at the same time. So I think when the girl was explaining, and actually the funny part, I think we arrived first and the parents came maybe 5 minutes to 6 minutes later. She was sleeping. She was already in her gown. So we stood we were outside for about 5 minutes. And as she was talking to the boyfriend, the idea was to she might live with us because the parents are not coming home. They went to church. They left her alone in the house. So I don't know whether she was still packing it or what. And remember, the parents don't know. This girl is smoking. She's smoking happily now, I beg. So it's back then when Hubley used to be like a sin. I'm not a happy person. I think I tasted it once or twice, then I was like, not this one for me. No. Generally, I don't like smoking. So it's back in the days whereby Hubley was not giving. You get, Hubley was at the worst sin. If your parents see you and found you with Hubley, hey, you are a sinner. You are a sinner. You get. So, and then as she was dressing up, the parents parked behind us. Ooh, tell me what happened. Ask me, fetch your chair, I beg. Sit down. So, and they found us. There was no way that we were gonna hide this one. They started interrogating us. Who are you guys? What is your surname? Do your parents know that you are here? Give us your parents' number. Yo! And why are you in front of the gate? Now the girlfriend acts as if she doesn't know the boyfriend. In fact, she didn't even bother to come because as she was about to come, As she was about to come, the parents arrived. The parents were already at the gate. So now she's sitting inside as holier than thou, as if she doesn't even know that we are here because of her. And then we had to lie. And when we lie, okay, they wanted our surnames. Okay, we gave them wrong names. I remember, what did I say? I think I said Khabo or something. We gave them wrong names, but because Mina, back then I was a coward, I gave them the right surname. Cousin A and Pindile, the mutual cousin, did not give them the right name. And then they were like, do your parents know that we are here? So let me tell you about my cousin. Cousin A smart girl. These are kids from the Babs. They are used to these things. I beg, they are not from the Bundus like you and me. So she knew how to articulate herself very well. Me, this one, myself. I nearly peed on myself. I nearly peed. Because I'm not used to this kind of life of naughty. That was for the first time. And I got caught. And then she was like, no, don't call our parents. What do you want here? No, we are here because your daughter, the one inside, she has our bag. What kind of a bag? No, we are traveling tomorrow. That is cousin A. Tomorrow we are traveling to Durban, and your daughter, the girlfriend, took our bag at school. It happens that we borrowed her a bag at school. Then we can't leave without the bag. We need it, so she must give us a bag. Even I can't remember because I was scared, and I can't remember whether they were buying our story or what. But one thing I know, cousin A, that's the story that she told the parents that, no, we are here to fetch our belongings. We can't live without this bag. And they were interrogating about 15 minutes outside. Why? Do you even have a license? We are going to call the police. No, don't call the police. This is not just deep. Our parents know. Isn't it that today is Christmas? It's Christmas. Don't forget that we have alcohol in the boot. Do not forget. By the time we left the house around 7, 8 there, it's already 10, going to 11. Outside. Clap once. So, interrogate after interrogate, and I ended up going to the car because mina being champies. I was restless, young and restless. I was very much on my tiptoes. Then cousin A said, go to the car, and it was getting cold because it's at night. She was like, you know what, girl, we're about to lose this court case. Go to the car. We don't want your nonsensical behavior at this point will not help us. I beg. You get. Pause right there. Grab your chair. Pause. So make sure that you overcook this meat. You know, one thing about beef stew needs to be overcooked. We're not about to take out our teeth because you decided not to cook this meat. Who taught you how to cook? I cannot create content for you to cook rubbish. You get? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. Share the video. Let's keep moving. Unpause. Back to the story time. Cool. Sharp. And they went inside. No, the boyfriend called. Not the boyfriend. Remember, if the boyfriend calls the girlfriend, they will say that, hey, there's something fishy. The smell of a fish is around the house. I smell fish. And you know when fish smell? Smell like a rotten something. There's fish smelly. So, cousin A was the one executing the entire plan. I was like, let me call her to come outside and give us our bag. The stupid girlfriend, she came outside with a very small bag, Nike school bag. Now, make me understand, how are we going to travel to Durban with a Nike school bag? Isn't that a bag that we can leave and still find it when we come back? It is not a bag that can take somebody from their house to your house to... She comes with a very small bag like this. They were like, you're are lying to us. You guys are lying. There is no way that you can travel that far to come and fetch this thing. You want to tell me that you couldn't travel to Durban because of this thing? This thing that looks like a toiletry bag. Yo, when I tell you that parents were on top of us. I'm there in the car shaking my... Yay, I nearly lost my front hairliner already here in the middle. Hairliner. Listen, I was losing hair by hair, one by one, the same way that God counted my hair. I was losing it one by one in the car. The car, my father was once rich, right inside, losing my hairline because of this girl. Oi. She came back with this smaller bag. Parents were very furious. I can't remember what happened, but then they took their daughter. They released us. Fortunate enough, there were no police. Guess what? We drove back home. Were we not laughing in the car? Pause. Now, can you see how beautiful this stew how beautiful this stew is? That is a leftover. That's my leftover chakalaka. So don't say, and then that one, no, it's my leftovers. And pause. So we went home. We were laughing. I think we arrived home around 12 o'clock. Literally, we didn't enjoy our Christmas the way we wanted. But then it was our alcohol. And cousin A, because she's a smart girl. She's a very smart girl, from the burbs, boarding school type of kids. She's like, guys, I know Daddy doesn't drink your Smirnoff what. He drinks only Black Label. So, whenever you open your bottle, please make sure that you take the lid. We were putting the lids one side together with the bottle. You put the lids here. When you're done with the bottle, you match the bottle with your lids. Because why? We want to throw the bottle and the lids. Because if they see a red lid, a bottle lid that is written red, in trouble. In trouble, because the only man who consumes alcohol in this house is the dead. So cousin A was like, everything. So when you drink, you put the lid on the other side. Drink, you put the lid on the other side. So that was the end of our story. Naughty teenagers. Were we caught? No, we were not caught by the parents because we managed to throw bottles. If we had 12 bottles, the lids were supposed to be 12 as well. So thank you very much for watching. Tell me if you still want more story time. I pray that you become well. If you are sick, be healed. I bless your soul, hustle, children, whatever that you possess. Until we meet again, families, I love you so much. Thank you for supporting the channel. Don't forget to watch the ends. Thank you. Bye.